In this video, we will be replacing the low beam headlight bulb on a 2008 Toyota Camry. The headlight design is very similar on other Camry year models, so the basic replacement procedure is almost identical on various year Camry models. The bulb has a very easy access. Just open the hood and you can easily get to the bulb. To remove the bulb, gently press and turn the bulb assembly counterclockwise to about 60 degrees. The assembly is being held on these three metal clips. Next, to separate the bulb from the connector, simply press on the release tab on the connector and simultaneously pull the bulb off. The small tab on the bulb is what locks and keeps the assembly together. You can easily find the correct replacement bulb on Amazon or other retail places. Now it is very important not to touch the glass of the bulb by hand. If you touch the bulb with your fingers, the salts and oils from your skin will damage the bulb and cause the heat to concentrate. This can significantly reduce the life of the bulb. I have left a link in the description for the one I'm using here. Please confirm that the bulb is the correct one for your vehicle. To install the new bulb, orient the new bulb in the connector and push the bulb until the tab snaps. Next, align the metal tabs on the bulb to the headlight assembly. Once aligned, push and turn the bulb clockwise till the bulb locks itself in place. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.